Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. We're going to Camp John Hay.
Hi, baby Yoda. Hello, we're in Baguio. Oh, Captain Hay. What's my baby doing there? Huh? Enjoying the cool weather? Huh?
So dito kami first nagpunta sa Cemetery of Negativism.
Boss won't let us. A great idea. Don't want to set precedent. Don't want to set a precedent. His passing has that of a precedent. Oh no, subword. What does it say? Can't do nothing right. Can't do nothing right. What's up, dude? You died. Doing everything wrong.
Pang matalino yung iba, no? Mama? Hi!
Whee! Hello, Ate Lily. Hi, Kuya Zeke. Oh, it's a Japanese lantern. Hi, Ate Tabitha. Say hi.
So after namin sa Cemetery of Negativism, dumiretso kami sa Bell House, which is a historical museum located within the historical core of Camp John Hay. Yung Bell House is named after General J. Franklin Bell. So during the American era, ito yung vacation residence ng Commanding General of the Philippines. So makikita natin dito na super old school ng mga bagay pero
My flat screen TV. Boom!
But we'll bring that. Okay.
sobrang lawak ng mga kwarto, sobrang ganda ng mga furniture. At grabe, nung panahon nila, no, nag-i-enjoy ang mga general na Amerikano dito sa Baguio City. Kita mo naman, ganda ng porch. Grabe, halos buong bahay yan. Balcony. O, diba? Tapos, eto, may fireplace. Tapos, may malaking mirror doon sa taas. Siyempre, nag-selfie, groovy kami dyan. Ang saya-saya. And naglakad kami papunta sa amphitheater na nasa likod ng Bell House.
Don't you want to? They want to.
Because the secret garden like
Whee! What a very beautiful amphitheater just behind Bell's house. What a house. Pretty cool.
Sobrang ganda, lalo na nung panahon na pumunta kami doon. Medyo maaraw. So, na-enjoy talaga namin ang pamamasyal, lalo na yung mga bata.
Hi! Like our YouTube channel. New vlog!
Woo! Ate Tabby and Ate Lily, where are you guys? Hey girls, sing. In front of the crowd. Look at the crowd. So many people. Woo! Ready? Jeez. No singing? Just smiling? Hello, hello, hello. You're so cute. Ate. You're so pretty. Oh, cutie.
So ayan, kitang-kita naman, nag-enjoy talaga sila. Naglalaro sila ng kung ano-ano, paikot-ikot. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman si Lily, natumba pa nga siya dyan. Pero ayan, kitang-kita, ang ganda-ganda ng lugar, napakaaliwalas. Ito yung sinasabi ko, nahulog, nadapa, whatever, ayan. And syempre, lahat ng bakasyon namin, hindi makukompleto kung hindi magpipicture taking si Mami. Tapos namin doon, pumunta kami sa Secret Garden. So, medyo secret siya talaga kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ang daan. Tapos nakita ko to. Sabi ko, naliligaw na yata tayo. Dito kaya talaga ang daan. Tapos may nakasalubong kami, buti na lang. Kaya natuntun namin yung Secret Garden. eto, sundan natin tong trail.
What the? We're inside this. Hang on. Look at the baby. Sleeping like a baby. Oh, he's a baby. There's Ate and Queasy. Hi, Ate Tabby. Hi. Be careful. So that's the trek. Going to the secret garden. Beautiful. So cold and breezy. So beautiful here. Nice. Pretty good. Hi. I don't know. Ate Lily, Ate Tabby, you said you want me to take a video. Hi. Oh, there's someone taking pictures. Hi, Queenie.
And I use the extra sleeve as like a scarf.
Baby Yoel is here. It's his first time in Baguio. Outside of the room.
So, after nun, pumunta kami sa History Trail pero wala naman masyadong makikita dito. Mga magagandang halaman, maraming puno, tapos may konting tables and chairs. I think pwede naman mag-picnic dito, basta hindi ka na nagkakalat. Ayan, makikita nyo dito yung table na sinasabi ko. May mga chairs, picnic chairs. Ayan, si Lily umakit pa dyan.
Hi, say hi.
And finally, eto, dito kami sa hill station kumain. Sarap ng pagkain nila dito, grabe.
Hi guys. Hi Mama. Hi Ate Lily. Hi. What are you eating? What's that? That looks yummy. Crazy, what are you eating? Is it garlic? Oh, that's why Lily's like figuring it out. Is it yummy? Oh, it looks yummy. Really? I hope they serve my food now. I'm super hungry.
Hinapon mo lang.
So dito, nagsalad ako. Tapos, ito yung mga in-order namin. Hindi ko na matandaan ko ano to eh. Google nyo na lang kung ano yung menu nila. Pero sobrang sarap nitong lahat. Natikman ko yung mga yan. Vegetable. Pati yung inasal ng mga bata. So, ayan. Hanggang sa dessert. Yung homemade ice cream nila. Super sarap. Kahit anong flavor. Masarap. So, ayan guys. Kitang-kita. Enjoy na enjoy kaming lahat. Hanggang sa last subo ng ice cream. So, I hope you enjoyed this just as we enjoyed eating. Thanks for watching!